Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I get a lot of questions now and then, well not a lot, but I get them now and then about how I clean and take care of my cast iron. So I'm actually cooking Cast Iron Wednesday now, so that was yesterday, so I'm going to post this video Thursday, the day after, and it's going to be permanently linked down in the description from now on what I do with my cast iron when I'm done cooking and for Cast Iron Wednesdays. Okay, so what I did, I just put this in the oven. So I'm gonna crank up the heat and pour in water, just plain old water. I'll show you why. Well, I'll tell you why. 'Cause I'm gonna let this come to a boil, then I'll show you why. So I finally got a little bit of a boil started. I'll take the same wooden spoon I've been using to cook, and I just kind of scrape around the bottom, lifting up any, the residual heat and both heat and steam. And we're kind of taking the sides, cleaning the sides off as well. I can get most of it off. So I'll go ahead and kill the heat, and then I'll just dump the water down the sink. Pretty simple. So alright, then I'll just use a couple paper towels. Make sure I keep my oven mitt so I can hang on to the handle, and I'll just wipe out the pan, making sure to get the sides. Just like that. You can even set it back on the same burner that you were just boiling with it. Just set it on the burner. Oops. Sorry, won't hurt a thing. Then I'll take just a little bit of olive oil, and I mean a little bit. I'm not trying to season it, I'm just keeping the season going. It's been said that, at least I've heard, the more as you use it, it seasons as you use it. Then I'll rub the oil around. Don't forget to get the side. I always make sure to go all the way around the upper rim, and then I'll go over the rim as well to make sure I get, where the food's gonna potentially come sliding out. It will cooperate. This, of course, is all much easier when camera's off. Sometimes you might find a crumb or two you missed, but I think it looks pretty good as is. Alrighty, now, when your meal comes out, like mine right here, the video will be in the description, I'm going to put the pan right into the oven. 350 degrees. I'm not trying to bake on the seasoning, I'm just trying to, my goal is to fully dry it out by using the oven. And I'll put it in there 15-20 minutes or so, but probably when I get done eating this, I'll clean this out the same way and put it right in the oven and just let it go. Should be fine. So I just cooked and ate dinner out of this pan for Cast Iron Wednesday, and same thing goes with this one. I already boiled it, a little bit of oil just like the other pan. Clean out all the, rub in a little bit of olive oil, and then you almost want to, wipe it out around the edge, and then get this whole thing in the oven. Now I've actually been letting this oven run because I was on BC Gerbs Live. And here's a pan just you know, still in here, doing its thing. So I got that one on the bottom. I'm gonna let that run probably not long, and then then all I do is I just turn it off and I just leave them in there. So I let the oven cool down, let the pans cool down within the oven, because I'm not going to be cooking or baking anything for the rest of the night. So